Okay, so in class today, we learned a new strategy for multiplying large numbers, and I want to share it with you because it's probably not a strategy that you are familiar with. It's definitely not a strategy I learned when I was young, but I call this the box method. And I told the kids, if you know how to put a number in standard form and you know place value, you can totally multiply using the box method. So a way to do this is if you have a problem, 6 times 483. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come down, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my box. And then I'm going to set up my problem with my box. So 483 is a 3-digit number, so I'm going to need to take my box and divide it into 3 smaller boxes. Then I'm going to set up my problem 6 times, and then I'm going to take 483 and I'm going to put that in expanded form. So that's 400 plus 80 plus 3. Now all I have to do is just multiply each individual multiplication problem for each box. So this box is 6 times 400. Well, 6 times 4 is 24. Tack on my 2 zeros. 6 times 80. 6 times 8 is 48. Tack on my 0. And 6 times 3 is 18. Now all I have to do is add the 3 different products that I got. So that's 2400 plus 480 plus 18. Now I told the kids the tricky part about this is making sure that all your place values are lined up when you're adding, because that's when we get into trouble sometimes. And then I'm going to go through and add. And 6 times 483 is 2,898. And that is the box method.